guys. Doing a trade-proof video with NBF Reaper, who's sitting literally right across from me.
This is NBF Reaper. I'm doing a trade-proof video for Fate of Darkness.
Trading Ultimate number C39 Utopia Ring.
I'm going to trade him my Kakamura Drago, Ultra Rare. It is met. And $4 cash. And here it is.
Real quick thing here. I did just trade recently for Rescue Rabbit, so there it is.
For who?
You know very well who.
So yeah, so this is my video for Fate of Darkness, but it's linked below. Check them out.
There you go, guys.
Great trader.
There's my trade.
So here you are. This is for you.
Yeah.
There you go. There's a trade.
There you go. And there's yours.
Guys, here you go. This is for trade.
Yeah.
Onto Utopia Way.
This is not for trade because I need it. I need my decks.
So yeah, if you want this, just PM me.
And I got money.
Watch my house. And I have Ghost one too soon. And I also have some mail updates.
Here's my trade video.
That's the mail updates too. I'm doing next. So
yeah.
thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Signing out.
Peace out.